Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do just a simple vegetable soup. I'm going to put chicken foot into the soup. If you don't want chicken foot, you can leave it out, or you can put any other meat of your choice. So these are the ingredients that I will be putting into the soup. A cold front lingers over Jamaica, especially in my area. We are experiencing gusty winds and icy rainfall, so a soup is fitting for this type of weather, and also life jacket. So these are the ingredients that I will be putting into the soup. So this is what we call soup pumpkin in Jamaica, or curry pumpkin. Now if you notice, I leave the belly inside. That's the fuzziness right here. I remove the seeds, peel the pumpkin, wash the pumpkin. However, I leave the belly inside, or what we call belly in Jamaica, because it thickens the soup and it adds flavor to the soup as well. Normally, if I'm going to cook the pumpkin to eat it, I would have removed the belly. Now, if you're not going to use the pumpkin the same day that you purchase it, I would advise you to remove the belly, because the belly makes the pumpkin easily spoil. Even if you put it in the fridge, still it easily spoil. Pot with some water inside. I am not sure the amount, maybe like 3 cups or so. So I am gonna add the chicken foot. It's chicken feet, but we say chicken foot in Jamaica. So as you see, I remove the nails and clean up the chicken feet, and then wash it with vinegar and water. And I added a little bit of salt to the water, even though I'm going to use the cock soup mix that contains, some amount of salt, but still I want the food to cook with a bit of salt to give flavor. So it's not a lot of salt I added. And now I'm gonna add just a few pimento seeds. And then I'm gonna add the corn. Because I'm adding everything all at once except for the yam and the dumplings, because chicken foot is easy to cook. So I am just adding basically everything, and as you can see, I am using a lot of vegetables. That's because I don't want any of the dumplings. I will be making just a few dumplings, but that's for my kids and my husband. I don't want any dumplings right now. I am not doing processed food right now. You understand? And yes, I'm gonna cover the pot and allow everything to cook or partially cook, and then I added the yam, and then I will add the yam and the dumplings. So I'm gonna add some cock soup mix to the soup. Yes, but I don't want the noodles. Alright, so if you do not have cock soup mix, you don't have to, you know that you don't have to put cock soup mix in soup. No, it's just that, forget. Oh, the background noise. It's just that it's a Jamaican thing, but you don't have to put cock soup mix in soup. I'm gonna cover the pot and allow the soup to simmer to the consistency that I want. Also, it doesn't need any more salt. As you can see, I added salt, a little bit of salt at the beginning of the video, and then I added 1 cock soup mix, so no more salt is needed. It is perfectly fine. So now I'm gonna just lower the heat and simmer the soup to the consistency that I like, and the consistency is usually somewhere in the middle between not thin and not thick, so it falls somewhere in the middle. Yeah man.